Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make 玉ねぎの豚巻き照り焼き. It's onion wrapped with pork and cooked in teriyaki style. The onion soaked up the porky juice in teriyaki sauce. It's simply delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this 玉ねぎの豚巻き照り焼き. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 onions, 16 slices of pork rib. It's very thinly sliced. 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sugar, sake and mirin, and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Let's cut the onion first. Cut the top off. Keep the bottom on. Peel the skin. Then cut into 8 pieces. Same for the other one. Dust the pork with some flour. Using 1 slice of pork, wrap 1 onion. Then dust them with some flour. Heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan. The heat is medium, and let's cook them. With the end of the pork facing down. Cover with the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Flip them over. Lid back on and cook the other side for 3 to 4 minutes. Cook for 4 minutes. If there is any pink part like this, put the pink part facing down and cook for a few minutes. Then, using paper towel, remove the excess oil. Okay, let's add the seasonings. Sake, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and garlic paste. Give it a mix. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes to cook down the sauce. When the sauce is cooked down to half and it's nicely thickened, kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. Don't forget to put the sauce. If you like, finish it up with some sesame seeds and something green for better presentation. I'm using daikon sprout today. And 玉ねぎの肉巻き照り焼き is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The cooked onion is very sweet, and it's so perfect with the teriyaki sauce. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 玉ねぎの豚巻き照り焼き is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and spinach miso soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about ingen no peanuts ae for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!